project for my internship has much higher expectations.
Working at the industry and then studying in school is two different things.
To prepare our students for the engineering workplace in their internship, we in Singapore Polytechnic adopt the CDIO framework to impart the necessary knowledge, skills and attributes to our students. In the process of imparting our students with such knowledge, we incorporate for the technical modules or subjects learning opportunities so that our students also acquire various personal and interpersonal skills ranging from analytical reasoning, problem solving to creative and critical thinking skills and teamwork and communication skills. Through enhanced internship, our students gain experience at the engineering workplace. For example, our students who serve as interns at SANMINA, a multinational corporation which specializes in complete end-to-end solutions for OEMs, contributed towards a project called the Work in Progress or WIP tracking system.
WIP is actually an application on Windows. It's a RFID system which will track a tag connected to the router. So using this WIP program, you can check where is this current tag located at.
So actually the tags actually follow the goods throughout the whole factory, maybe from plant 3 to plant 2, plant 1.
Well, I normally will assign the work activity to the interns based on their strength. So if their strength is more on this computer, I will assign them more on this programming, you see. As this RFID software requires some of this program change based on our user requirement. So if their strength is more on this documentation, I will let them do on this data analysis. Because we gather some of this information from the RFID, then we try to make it more better.
When our students work on this project, they get to experience the full CDIO process in the development of the project, starting from understanding the user's needs and the needed design elements of integrating appropriate hardware and software, to achieving the intended goals, prototyping the system in the implement stage, and finally in the operate stage, deploying it to the plant floor.
I have to learn to stand in the shoes of my user. Like, if I were the user, how would I use this? Is it easy to use? Are some of the buttons and certain input boxes, are they very visible enough? I had to create a web application to display all the information. Firstly, I will test it on my own laptop. I have a copy of the database, which is not connected to the live system. If there's no problem, right, I will just implement it on the live system.
My role is to test the hardware, which is more making the best use of the routers I have to minimize costs. This is to cover up all the blind spots in the plant.
So even after the implementation, I have to look out for any problems. Sometimes my user or company staff, right, if they assess it and they see that there is any thing that shouldn't be there or is there any problem, they will inform my supervisor or they will inform me.
Through this project, the students are fully immersed in the engineering processes typically found in the workplace.
They are very hardworking. Yes, they're willing to learn. So I think it's a good experience for them to come to the real world in this kind of industry.
What you learn in school, basically, you can apply. Usually those more on the practical side.
What I learned in school is actually a good start for my internship project because I have experience with databases, web interface and programming.
Through CDIO adoption, we have been able to equip our students with the necessary technical discipline knowledge, but also with the needed competencies for the workplace.